It's not as heavy as the other one. Boom. Can you guys tell what it is? If you can't, then there's something seriously wrong with you. But it says, because there's like a little tab here. I don't know if you guys can see, but I need to like grab it. Okay, and it says to pull. Okay, it works. I can't get that. Whoa. Oh, I think I pull it up. Do I pull it up? There's tape on here. I don't think this is the way I should be doing it. Okay, let me just... I think I'm supposed to do it this way. Yeah, I'm supposed to do it this way. Ah, there we go. Holy. The thing I've been waiting for my whole life is here. Wait, let's move this. Let's see. Can you guys see it? Oh. ENTINA to A2C. ENTINA. Cantina. It reminds me of I'm not even gonna say it. This is what it says. Now let's take it out of the box and let's review it. I took it out of the box. I'm taking the ribbon off right now. It's a ribbon. It's a nice ribbon. I might keep it. Probably not. I don't know. Whoa. Okay. Let's get our handy dandy safety scissors. Alright, wait, let's cut the sides, just in case. Okay, there's one side. There's the other. I should probably put it on its side, just in case. No, I'm gonna do the whole, all the other sides. I feel something hard. You guys ready for the big reveal? 3, 2, 1. Ooh, oh, this feels nice. Oh, duh. Y'all definitely will not be able to feel this. This is smaller than I thought. I thought it was bigger. But it feels like really nice, like really high quality. Let me just take this off. Y'all, look at this. ENTINA 2C. Feels really nice. I don't know what this is. We'll figure it out soon. Ooh, I'm scared to take this out. What's this? Does it come with filament? Yo, if it comes with filament, that'll be crazy. Ooh, it's heavy. Y'all don't know how heavy that is, bro. Let's take this plastic out, or whatever it's called, I don't know. Look at this, guys. This looks amazing, bro, I swear. I think I should take this out. How do I take it out? Oh, that's from the back side. I think this might be filament, because I think it did say it was gonna come with white filament, so where do I open it? I open it from here. Oh yeah. Oh, it's the rolls. Oh, hear that? We got glue stick. I think I have to put it on the little board. Nozzle needle. Oh, it's so I can put it. Oh, okay. I get it. Here's the white filament. I told y'all. I'm gonna try to take this off so I can use it.
Stop it right there. That's not my fault. Maybe a title for this. But what title is this? It finally happened. That's funny. That is funny. We arrived. I was greeted with a 22-pound mug. Although it's really shallow, I guess they had to make it that way in order for it to weigh so much. But it's good that it doesn't show that in any of the promotions. They should have made it a ton. I gotta say, this thing is difficult as hell to lift. It lives up to its name. Much like yours too. It's not like throwing 22 pounds normally, since if you grab it by the hand, the center of mass is so far out from your hand, you need incredibly strong wrists to hold it up. Luckily, I'm super strong, so it's not a big deal. Oh, don't mind me, I'm just gonna have a sip of my drink.
What do you do? That's it?
It's completely black choice, stupidly expensive, but I'm curious to see if it'll make me stronger. Mine is definitely heavier than Eddie Hall's, so watch out now. It definitely puts 22 pounds into my life. By the way, I still get asked for this thing on the daily. I know this video is proof I'm a sucker, but what? The visual wants to fill it.